Look, man, to be a Muslim is the greatest title that any human being could have. It's better than king, it's better than potentate, it's better than president, it's better than emperor. Because you could be an emperor and a bad one. You could be a king and a bad one. But to be, not to say, but to be a Muslim, ooh, that means every day of your life you are confronted with situations that demand the application of the theory. And when the application is demanded of you and you know it's going to mean this or that, sometimes you compromise your practice for a short gain. Then you lose who you are. And then the benefit of who you are cannot come to you because you are not practicing what you say you believe.